Alright, I am replacing the shower. It's right here. That's the terminology. It's a faucet, cartridge for a faucet. So what's happening is the water is dripping, it's draining still when it's supposed to be all the way closed. So I'm replacing with this one right here. And right now I am using these tools here and this tool here that came with the part. And basically you stick it in there first like this, and it'll go on this little groove right there, and you spin it until it gets centered. I'll show you when I put it back in, but that's how you take it off. You spin it, and then they got to pull this section out of this harness or the housing. So that's what I'm working at now. I don't have my tripod or whatever right now, so I can't really hold the phone and show you at the same time, so I'll have to come back with it when I get it out. Alright, so what I've done, there's a way to do this where you can push and pull. You squeeze here and you pull. As you twist it, as you turn, as you're pushing, that back piece is hitting that bracket right there, and it's pulling at the same time. But let me get 2 hands so I can get it done. Okay, that's what it came out. Let's look at the new one and compare. So what we have is the old one and the new one. You see how that's all deteriorated looking. So what happened is probably it got to the point where it's no longer catching and stopping the water. Also, that right here is different. So, well, actually, because it's pushed all the way in. See, when it pushed in from here, it's supposed to stop in the back. Like so. But apparently, the water is seeping through still. So, we're just going to go ahead and replace it with the new one right here. Let's go I'll go ahead with it. Just gonna work it in there. Well, let me look inside real quick. Make sure there's no debris. Gotta play with that, I'll get it in there all the way, and I'll come back when I do. Alright, got it both in, and here's that piece I was talking about right here. I'm gonna put it on top of there, and continue to push it in further. Okay, I'm gonna need 2 hands with this, so let me come back to you guys in a minute. Okay, I got it all the way in there flushed. And what happens is you have to turn this piece in here 90-degree angle in order to put the clip back in. You got the clip that's right here that comes out of the groove right there, so that stays in. And I'm gonna get it right now. Okay, so what I need to do is turn it a little bit more this way over here so that'll be straight and flushed. Okay, need a different angle. So what you have to do is maneuver this swivel piece right here side to side until this gets, the piece that goes in there gets down in the groove. And that's it right there. You take this piece off and go ahead and put it, assemble it back together. I'm going to test the water first and make sure it works. I'm going to go ahead and put the tip back on. See if that works. Making my way to the main water valve, main shut off power water. It's down here. I got it here and I turned it off. I turn it on. There we go. Right there. Let's go back in and see if it works. So as I can see, it's still leaking. That's cool. I'm pushing it all the way in, even turning it down. Nothing. So it might be that pipe back there that might be the problem, and not the actual plug that we have here, because it's the exact same one. So something back there is probably causing it not to stop all the way through. So I might have to take this thing off again and see if there's any debris back there causing the plunger not to fully close. Alright. Yeah, water's coming like that. Put this piece in here and it should stop the water. And it does. And that's how it's supposed to be in the back. So once that little rings is like that around it, it'll stop the water. Right, so I went outside and re-put on that, opened up the main valve, and as you see it's closed now, and I'm going to open it. Close it back, and there you go. That one ended up doing a trick. And that one right there this one right here, the 12,000, and not the this one right here. I mean, not wasting money. I just say either one would do it. I tried this one first and it ended up not working. So it is what it is. Now satisfied customer. No bills being high anymore. All right, J Squally, Double J, Jack of all trades.